Natalie, I'm busy raspering the cheese. I'm grating the cheese because humans don't grate cheese. Julle bring my deer. Julle bring my deer.
I do grated sometimes.
What? Never. Ek doen nie kaas raspering, anders gaan ons bankrot gaan as gevolg van kaaskonsumpsie.
Okay.
Maar now I want to know, have you ever looked at a grater, a rasper? I only use this side ever in my life. Like a decent civilized human being, this is the side everyone should use. If you use any of the other sides, I don't know if we can be friends. Have you ever used, maybe een keer elke 2 jaar we use this side just to see how it works. You know what I mean?
For ginger.
Yeah, but I mean, come on. How many times have you used it? And then, what is this? Wat gaat hier aan? What is this with the skerp puntjies? What do you do with that? Huh? What is, and lo and behold, who is using that hompasne here on the side there? Who uses that? What is that made for? I want to speak to rasper manufacturers and ask them to, they must wait, don't stop wasting our time with this thing. Ons weet nie wat om te doen nie. And this side here, hompe. This is for people that are in a first world country and doing well this side. It's not for us. You know what I mean? Why are you not participating in this very educational
Because
video?
I'm busy with food and jy praat van 'n rasper.
This is more than education, it's edutainment.